Yeah, come in.
Mr. Everett?
Yeah, Brian.
Brian, hi. I'm Samantha Prescott. I'm the lending officer.
Hi, how are you? Come on in, sit down.
I'm so sorry I was late.
Yeah, we missed you before.
I got held up. Believe me, it is not something I make a habit of.
I'm sure it's not. Actually, could you just close that door for me? Thank you.
I usually run out at 3:15 to pick my son up and take him to the sitters very quickly. Anyway, Larry never really minded about it, and I was hoping it would be okay with you too.
Well, Samantha, I realize that Scottsville is not exactly a major banking center.
No, it's not.
No, I know it's not, but it's kind of a personal challenge to me to see what we can do to bring local service up to the same kind of standards we'd be trying to meet if we were the biggest branch in the state. And that means I don't want anybody running out at 3:15 or 3:30 or whenever the bus happens to come in that day. Now, does your husband work in the area? Do you?
No, Rudy Sr. isn't on the scene, so to speak.
Well, I can give you a couple of days to make some other arrangement.
Well, Brian, I understand what you're saying, and I think it's great. I do. Believe me, there are a lot of things around here that need some attention, but I've been meeting that bus every day for 4 years now. It really just takes 15 minutes, and if I can take that time out of my lunch hour...
I'd really prefer it if you'd make some other arrangement, okay?
I'll do my best.
How old's your son?
He's 8.
That's a terrific age.
Yes, I'm trying to enjoy it as much as I can. Trying to take it all in as much as
right.
possible.